Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayla and I actually do makeup videos on this channel. So today's video is a get ready with me post lockdown, post quarantine, just for a night out for when the bars open again. This is what I would normally wear on a night out. What I did want to just say is from the start of this video is that this video is brought to you from a PR package that I received, or partnered, collabed, gifted. I don't know which one you would say because I'm new to all of this. I just thought I'd give you a look at what I've actually got. So Jenny, who contacted me, she left me this little card. It's so cute. It says, "Hey Queen, welcome to the club." And she's put a little message saying, "Hey Ayla, stay safe. Hope you love the lashes. Enjoy, Jenny." She's also given me a 10% discount. You can use this as obviously I've actually been given some. So it says get 10% off your next order with voucher code LASH10 and enter your code at checkout. So I'll leave this in the description box as well. So Falls eyelashes.co.uk stock a lot of different types of eyelashes. They have big multi-packs as well for dead cheap. I thought I'd show you the couple of the lashes that she sent me over. So first off, we've got House of Lashes, and these ones are Wispy Mini, the Sosu, Suzanne Jackson, Alex lashes. And then the last ones are by Kiss, and it's in the style Peony. To go with that, Jenny sent over the eyelash applicator. It's just a gold applicator with their logo on. Some Revlon eyelash glue to put the lashes on. Usually on a night out, I tend to go for a bronzed brown type of dark look, and then I go with the nude lip. So I'm going to go in with the eye colour stick by the Body Shop in Cypress Bronze. I'm just going to go over the lid with that colour. I'm going to take a Real Techniques buffing brush, eyeshadow brush, I don't know what it's called, and I'm just blending the edges out, sort of winging it out just under the brow bone. I'm doing the same on the other eye. Urban Decay Naked Palette. I'm gonna go into the shade Smog, which is this bronzy colour here, bronzy gold colour here. And I'm just going to go on the inner corner with that. I just love the combination of these two colours. Bronzy gold. Beautiful. So I just want to know what your go-to night out look is. Can you just comment down below? I want to get some new ideas. I tend to go with the same type of smoked out look for a night out. I'm going to go in with another Naked palette brush, and I'm going to be taking the colour Dark Horse from the Naked palette, and I'm just going over that in the outer corner and smoking that out more towards the brow bone. I'm just going to do the lower lash line, and I'm going to go in with the Peaches and Cream fluffy pencil brush, and I'm just going to go in with that Smog colour again. Just going to go underneath. again with Dark Horse to mirror the rest of the eye. I'm going to go in with the colour Creep, and I'm putting that on the outer crease just to darken that up a bit. I'm going to curl my lashes and use the Kiko Cosmetics Extra Sculpt Mascara using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NC5. Now I'm going to be taking the MAC Select Cover Up and just putting that underneath the eyes. So I'm just going to be taking the Revolution Ultra Contour palette, and I'm going to be taking the Real Techniques powder brush. Taking the California blush, and I'm going to be taking the Real Techniques blush brush and putting that on my cheeks. The Revolution's Soft palette, and I'm going to be taking this colour here. It doesn't have a name, but yeah, this colour. I'm going to be taking the House of Lashes in the style Wispy Mini. This doesn't come with glue, but what I'm going to do is I'm not going to use the Revlon glue. I'm going to use the Duo Lash glue just because I feel comfortable using that, and it's what I would normally use if I was to get ready for a night out. So I'm just going to be doing that. I am still going to be taking the False Eyelashes.co.uk eyelash applicator. And lastly, I'm going to be taking the La Crayon Kohl from Lancome in the colour Noir, putting that in the waterline and then I'm going to tight line with it too. So this is the finished makeup look. It's a very bronzy, goldy brown type of makeup look, but I would highly recommend you having it, just checking out the falseeyelashes.co.uk, because there's absolute a ton of variety of lashes on that website, and I'm so thankful for Jenny to reaching out to us and making me aware of the website, because I think it's such a bargain, especially because if you go into Boots and you just pay £5.50 for one pair of Ardell Demi Wispies or Wispies, and on there you can get 5 pairs of lashes for £10. So I'm going to leave the link and everything down below in the description box. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.